Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. In today's video, we're going to address a common issue that many Instagram users face: the problem of Notes music not showing up. If you've been struggling with this, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. So, first off, what exactly is this issue? Sometimes, when you're trying to add music to your Instagram stories, you might find that the Notes Music option isn't showing up, even though you're following all the right steps. But fear not, we have some solutions for you. The first step is to make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes lead to glitches and missing features. Let's quickly go through the process of updating your Instagram app. Another effective solution is to clear the cache and data of your Instagram app. This can help resolve any temporary issues that may be causing the problem. For solution, you'll want to do is open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner where you see your profile picture. The second thing, you'll want to access the settings and privacy. You can do this by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Then scroll down, see the option messages and story replies. Tap on it. You see the last option, show activity status. Open and enable this option. And there you have it. These are some of the most effective ways to fix the Notes music not showing issue on Instagram. Remember, if one method doesn't work, don't be discouraged. Simply move on to the next one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.